Most waxing discomfort isn't caused by the wax itself. It's caused by tension mistakes that happen before the strip is ever removed. The difference between an uncomfortable extraction and a smooth one often comes down to tension control. Today you'll learn 3 professional techniques that improve comfort, increase speed, and create cleaner results. Before every removal, your setup determines your outcome. The extraction starts long before the strip comes off. Notice how the wax is applied evenly and deliberately. Consistency creates predictability. When skin moves with the wax, energy is lost and discomfort increases. The goal is to create a stable surface where hair can release efficiently. Secret number 1, 3-point bracing. Think of this like securing 3 corners of a sheet of paper so it cannot move. Multiple support points lock the treatment area into position before extraction begins. Once stability is created, extraction becomes faster, cleaner, and more predictable. Secret number 2, wrist flick dynamics. Pulling upward creates unnecessary stress. Professional movement stays parallel to the skin. As technique improves, speed becomes a result of efficiency rather than force. Every movement should connect smoothly from the bracing hand through the pulling hand. Secret number 3, adaptive support positioning. Different treatment areas require different support patterns. Adapt your bracing to the shape of the surface. Once extraction is complete, gentle pressure can help improve overall comfort. Small finishing steps contribute to a more professional overall experience. Master these 3 techniques and you'll improve comfort, efficiency, and confidence in every service. Subscribe to MTH Health for more professional technique masterclasses.